What is up, you guys? It is your boy Insanian, and welcome back to this brand new reaction video to the one and only god of guitars, Alibata. Thank you guys so much for this great community because I'm loving this. Today we're going to be reacting to Patience from Guns N' Roses, which is a classic song and a classic band, and Kiss the Rain, considering the fact that it's raining in the Netherlands as usual. And it's also interesting to see his take on the guitar, considering the fact that this song by Jeruma is pure done on the piano. Interesting to see that. If you have not yet followed me on my Instagram, make sure to do so. It's called Insanian_. These are 3D glasses. Let me just take them off. I got a new tattoo yesterday. It's burning. It's literally burning. Anyways, Vicky Himpang, if you're seeing this, I took a little bit of stalking and looked at your Instagram. I saw that you had a beautiful family, and I wish you and your family the best, man. You're an amazing guy. You make me have more faith in humanity, and like I said, I fucking love this community. Thank you guys so much for listening. I got myself some cold water, and let's get right into this. Mas Alip memang mantap. Alibata is great. Mantap! Alright. That already is above average skill. What he just did, you can literally add like an effect on the distortion pedal playing electric guitar, and he can do the same thing but then only on an acoustic guitar without any other effect on his guitar. He can make effects on his guitar. That's how skilled he is. Now I know that this is the intro, the opening of this song, but you cannot lie. You cannot disagree with me and tell me that this part doesn't sound a little bit like Hotel California solo. Wait. It does! It does! All we need is just a little patience. It'll work itself out. Come on, baby. Look at this. Just did that in like 1.3 seconds. He has got it. When you know that you got it, then you just have it inside of you. Just a little patience. Let me just state this fact right now, nobody compares to him. He has got his own style of guitar, and that's why he is so fucking popular. And he deserves the popularity. Honestly, he has 5 million subscribers, but he actually should deserve more, because I never seen somebody play guitar the way that he does it. All along together with his tapping on his fret notes, also on his acoustic guitar, multitasking, making the guitar sound like an entirely different instrument, yet at the same time making it sound like he plays multiple instruments at the same time. You have to understand, especially when you play guitar, that this is like looking up to your teacher. Like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles has got like a rat, that's like the leader, and that's like Alibata to us guitarists. You feel me? Are you awake? Don't fall asleep looking at this. This is amazing. Are you feeling the vibe? Are you guys feeling the vibe? Because you guys are probably also Alibata fanboys, because I am feeling this song. All we need is just a little patience. Work it out this time. Look, you see like Alibata plays with zero emotion on his face. That's okay. But I know deep inside that while studying this song, he was playing with his emotion. He felt that. He knows that he's playing something awesome, but he also feels the emotion that he's playing, you know? I get that. Like, he has a straight face, but I feel like he's playing this with emotion deep inside. You feel me? Like, he could have just did that with only hitting one chord, but he hit all three of them. Like, that sound, wonderful. We need to sign a petition with Slash. Everybody gather up. Let Slash react to Alibata and let them gather together, be together in one room, playing this song together. That will be like a dream come true. I'm not even gonna say anything. The Mister speaks for himself. My guy is singing! Hell yeah, baby! Let's get it!
Just a little
Little patience, yeah. Vicky, you too! Just a little patience. I don't even know the goddamn lyrics. I only know, like, the hook. Just a little patience. But the rest, it's been a long time since I listened to the song. I used to listen to a lot of Guns N' Roses back then in November Rain. Of course, Sweet Child of Mine. Oh, Sweet Child of Mine.
Just trying to get it right. It's not to see when so many around. You know I don't like being stuck in the ground. In the street, don't taste better, maybe the name. I ain't got time for the games I need you. Yeah, but I need you. Oh,
You genius.
I need you. Oh, I need you. Oh, this time I
Ooh. My god! Mantap! This guy can even fucking sing, and he can multitask while singing and, vocalizing and playing on the acoustic guitar. What's not to love about this guy? Like, literally, I can't point out anything that I dislike about him. Usually I can with a person. I can't with him. He's just awesome, man. Dope.
All this time
He actually hit those notes. And I know that he has emotion and he plays with emotion. Everything comes from the heart. Like, he hit those notes. But then he does it better, of course, and plays guitar. I love this so much. And he ended it off nonchalantly. Did it just hurt his crotch? I think he's in pain or something. At least, I hope he's not. Anyways, guys, this was dope. Gotta give it a thumbs up. It has 144,000 likes. How can 1.3 people dislike this? I'm gonna literally come to your house and have a deep conversation with you, okay? Just like Chris Hansen does with pedophiles, I'm gonna tell you guys, take a seat. Take a seat. Why did you choose to dislike this video? Take a seat. Just, no, stay there. And then just call you a predator and then sorry. Anyways, that was cool, but there's one more that I should be reacting to. This one is, yeah, like I said, Kiss the Rain, Jeruma, has 163,000 likes compared to 925 dislikes. Interesting. Was last year. Let's get it. Like, he plays it so peacefully, and this song is filled with emotion, and the fact that it is originally on the piano, so he took the time out to learn this by heart on the guitar. Come on, and he does it like he plays it so peacefully because he plays it perfectly. But it is incredibly difficult, let me tell you that. Somebody send me a link where I can buy that, because that looks cool. I thought it was a taser at first instinct, but that wouldn't be realistic, otherwise the strings would have broke. But this looks cool. What is it? Is it something that he only has, or that other people also have? Because it makes the guitar sound like a violin or a theremin sometimes. Which is like an entirely different instrument. Do you see what he's doing? He was tapping and playing chords at the same time. Man, this guy's good. And I wonder how much ilt he has on his fingers, because my fingers would have been, broken playing so much. The fact that it's literally raining. You guys can see that it's raining. Next time you should cover November rain, and then I will react to it in November. He's the king of harmonics. The pitch is perfect. Now this song you should listen to only when you're really sad, because even if you're in a good mood, it's gonna affect you and it's gonna make you feel sad. I was happy as hell, but now I'm like, oh, when are you gonna cry, you know? Because this melody is also just so beautiful, but it's so sorrowful. Wow. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. He killed it. He killed it, honestly. That was absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I hope you guys like this reaction video, and if you did so, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like me and my content, then please subscribe and become an Insanian today, because your boy does post consistently. My name's Insanian. I hope you have a great day. Rest in peace, Etika, and what I will say to you is